Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare a Cameroonian dish called Cornchaff. And I just went ahead and prepared all my spice or all the ingredients I'll be using. So yes, without saying much, I'll just go ahead and show you guys what we'll be using to prepare Cornchaff today. And for a start, I already have my onions sliced. I have my fresh ginger and some leeks and some green spice grinded right over there. Then I have Maggi cubes, and this is country onions equally from home. I have my palm oil, and then I have my fish which I've already processed, cleaned, and it's just sitting in water so it gets soft quickly. And the main ingredients, there is beans over there, and right here we have corn. I soaked corn in the morning just so it's easy and it cooks very quickly without wasting so much time. So at the moment I'm just bringing it to a boil. We'll just boil it for about 45 minutes, taste, and then see how it looks like before we can put the other ingredients to it. I equally have my white pepper. Yeah, I have my white pepper right there, which I'll be adding into it. Just wait until the corn is a little bit boiled, like really ready, then we'll head off with the next step. All right. Okay guys, so the corn has been cooking for a long time now, more than 45 minutes as I thought. So we'll just go ahead now and wash that out and mix it together with our beans. So since I had more corn than the available beans, I just went ahead and I measured 4 cups of beans in this tin, because this is where the beans actually came out from, just so it's, corn is not too much, beans is less and all that. So I have approximately the exact measurement right in here. I've mixed my beans equally as well, and then the cooking process continues. The rest of the corn is going to go into the freezer for next time. So I went ahead and added all my ingredients into the pot already, mixed up everything: white pepper, country onions, ginger, garlic, onions, some salt and some Maggi, and yeah, I think I'll just add in red oil now and then allow to cook for like 20 minutes, and then we'll check up on the pot again. And during that moment, I'll be frying my crayfish, which we are going to garnish at the top. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.